Finally, if you are done editing all of these things, tap on done and export the video. Now tap on this download icon, then you can download from here.
Who the hell are you to give me advice? He shouted at the top of his lungs. Who the hell are you to give me advice?
For free, you get 720 quality and watermark. If you want to download in HD without a watermark, you can get a paid plan with just $9. With a paid plan, not only you get to download all HD quality videos without watermark, you can also have access to all the amazing features that this software offers or this website offers. So I highly recommend you visit our affiliate links in the description and support us by purchasing the paid plan. How to get it for free? Let me say one thing for you. In this world, nothing is free. But let's say you are completely broke and can't afford